can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. As y'all can see right here, I got hella shit to show y'all. So this video is mainly an FTP unboxing, but there's also a couple other things that I picked up and wanted to show you guys. I feel like there's a lot of heater pieces right here. It's nothing over the top, but there's a lot of really cool pieces that I actually do like. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let me know what types of videos you would like me to make, because I'm actually gonna start recording a lot of my videos ahead of time so I could keep on the schedule. I'm gonna see how that shit works honestly, but let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So since I did say this video was an FTP unboxing, we're gonna start with the small FTP package right here. I believe this is 2 of my pieces. We do have this "Don't Piss Me Off" sticker right here. It has FTP on the ring right there. Super clean sticker. We got this fire ass beanie right here. I do like these two-tone beanies, the black with the red. I actually wear their beanies a lot, way more than I thought I would. They're so comfortable, breathable at the same time, and they're just clean. Like, come on. That FTP branding on the front right there, nothing on the back. Really clean beanies, affordable. They're just the perfect beanie in my opinion. But first up, we had the beanie right here. Next up, we got the championship tee right here. This is so clean. It says that the population on the top right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all. It says 2019 fuck the population champions. It has that middle finger right there. Then it says worldwide fuck everyone, as you can see. Then at the bottom, I don't even know what it says. Then all the way at the bottom, it says fuck the population, established in 2010. Super clean shirt right here. One of my favorites that dropped this week. Honestly, a really clean piece right here. This one definitely is staying in the collection. I honestly really like FTP because they do different things, and that's honestly what got me into it. But this tee right here is super fire and is gonna be in the collection for a while. So that was the first package from FTP, which honestly was the light one. I do have a box full of FTP as well that we will get into in a few, but first we're gonna go ahead and open this package right here. I feel like I'm late to the party with this one right here, but I still had to go ahead and scoop it. You already know. I had to get the Kaws Sesame Street joint. They were on sale for like $20, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Original price was like $40 or something like that. I got it for $20, which isn't a bad price. And it's just a clean thing to have right here. This Elmo Sesame Street Kaws plushie right here. Super clean, not gonna lie. If I could get Cookie Monster, that would be the ideal set for me. I don't need all of them, but if I had this and Cookie Monster, I'm all good. This is fire right here, especially with one of the other pickups that I'm gonna be getting in this video. Super clean though. Elmo Sesame Street Kaws right there. Next up, we got this shirt that I got from TJ Maxx. It's like a racing inspired shirt. It kind of gives me like a vintage Levi's vibe. I don't know why, but we do got this like print on the back of it as well. It says American Performance Shop, but the price I got this at is unbeatable. I literally paid $3 for this shirt, which is insane. Like, come on, that's the biggest steal ever. $3 for a shirt. The quality doesn't feel bad at all. Like, the cotton is actually really soft and it's kind of thick at the same time. The color's pretty clean, that olive colorway right there. I do like this racing inspired graphic on the back, and $3 unbeatable. Like, come on son. I did pick up these Levi's sweats, I guess, athleisure pants right here. These are just some cozy ass like cargos, chinos type shit. I wish these had like a cargo pocket, but these are like chinos basically. It's like dress pants or casual pants without the feel. Like, this is the softer sweat material, but they fit just like chinos. They're really comfortable honestly, and hey, I'm rocking with them. I got them for a really good price. I think like $15 or so for some Levi's. Bang, right there we got these cream color Levi athleisure sweatpant chino looking ass pants. Really clean though, not gonna lie. These remind me of like some sleepwear that you could wear, you feel me? I did also get this button up from TJ Maxx. I already wore it because shit was just chill, you feel me? It was hot. I felt like wearing a little layer or something. Super clean. I got this for $13, and the tag of the shirt said 98 retail, which is crazy, bro. That's like a 80% mark off for a really clean shirt. I like the design on the plaid. It's just a really clean design. But right here we got this shirt, and that's everything I got from TJ Maxx. Next up, we got this package right here, which I actually got from Strawberry Mansion. This is that hoodie that I mentioned in one of my live cops. This shit took like a month to get here, I'm not even gonna lie. Strawberry Mansion right there. we got this Strawberry Mansion hoodie. I honestly love this colorway. I've been eyeing these hoodies since Luke Wav dropped the original ones. That was this burgundy with the yellow on it. That shit was so hard, but this one right here looks just as clean to me. I love the blue colorway, honestly, and yo, this is clean. Like, come on, we got that blasted Strawberry Mansion on the front, super clean. I love the way that the font is like blank on the inside, but then you got that white lining. It gives it a really dope effect. And something I didn't even know is that it has it on the back as well. So you got the design on the front and on the back. That's a really clean touch because it's an all over print without being an all over print, if that makes sense. This piece right here is super clean. You throw this on with some Royals and some light blue denim or some black denim, you're killing the game. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all some pants after this that this would go dope with. I want to know what kind of blanks they use because the quality doesn't feel that bad. Also, we got the unwanted tag right there. Super clean hoodie, yo. The quality on this is actually not bad at all. Got that design right there, which I actually really love. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's just sick, bro. This is like my Beverly Hill gun range hoodie. This is kind of like that, but the design is so fire. Y'all gonna see me wear this one a whole lot. But yeah, we had this Strawberry Mansion unwanted hoodie right here. Super clean addition to the collection. These are the pants I was talking about right here. I got these from Zara, as y'all can see right there. These are from Zara. These are like these cargo denim pants. I don't know how to explain it, but the pocket is like leaning that way. It's just a really clean pair of pants. The stitching is going to like the side of the cuff right here. Then it has like that raw selvage denim type situation at the bottom right here. You got the stitching going to the middle of the side. It's kind of weird, but I don't know, it just looks really dope to me. That's why I went ahead and got them. Got the little flat pockets on the back. I don't know, for these it's more so the fit than the actual pants. I like the pocket right here also. It's just really clean. I feel like they didn't do too much, but they did it just right. This with that Strawberry Mansion hoodie and some Royals. I might do a video talking about like hypebeast outfits or different ways to style hypebeast fits and shit like that. If you guys would like to see it, go ahead and let me know down below. These pants really clean. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into some more FTP, I guess. So right here we do have our second order from FTP. Since y'all can see the beanie right at the top, I'll talk about this first. Right here we did get the navy with the yellow beanie as well. I showed y'all the black with the red one. Here's the other colorway that they dropped. It was like this navy colorway, which y'all can see right there, and the inside of it, I guess, is in yellow, like this really strong yellow. I don't know if y'all be able to tell the exact color from the screen, but it's like this really strong yellow. There's no other way to put it. We got another black and red one as well, so I doubled up on the black and red and got one navy and yellow. Really clean pickups right here. We got this receipt right here, throw that to the side. Then in here we got the ashtray. We got the FTP on the bottom right here, which is really clean. Then on the inside it says "Don't piss me off" with the FTP on the little ring right there. Really fire piece right here, I'm not even gonna lie. I actually do kind of like this. I don't know, it's just a different piece to have, and it's like $14 or so. It's not like Supreme where you buy an accessory that doesn't really do much but you pay $40. That's like $14, which isn't too bad. We got two more FTP pieces to talk about today. Right here we got this jacket, which I feel like is really clean. We got the FTP blasted on the back right there. I don't know if it's 3M or not. I honestly do not know, but if it is, that would be another sick addition to it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for y'all because this is for the personal. It's actually a pretty thin jacket. It would actually work for springtime. Honestly, for a pretty cool summer night, it would work because it's like really thin. This is like more so a windbreaker than anything else. I do like the fact that it has these type of cuffs rather than the little lined ending on it. I don't know why, but it is blank on the back right there, as y'all can see. Then we got this huge FTP branding right in the middle right there. This is like a mesh little pocket. Hopefully it does have pockets on the sides as well. I think it does. It does have zip pockets on the side as well, which is a great addition, and it's just a clean little piece to have in the collection. I'm honestly glad I got it. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and wear this. Y'all probably will see this on a fit pic. FTP jacket. And last up for FTP, we got the bear right here. I don't even want to move the bag too much because it's gonna make too much like noise, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic first. See, this is hard right here, bruh. I honestly missed out on the first bear that they dropped, but I'm glad I got this one right here. Super clean, got that satin black feel all around it. FTP blasted all around the bear. This sitting next to Elmo is gonna be a vibe. Hopefully I can pick up the black plushie that Kaws did with Uniqlo, because that would match this perfectly on my shelves that I got over there. But this is really clean, and it's just another great addition to the collection, like I said this whole video. But really clean teddy bear right here, FTP, fire piece. This was probably my biggest clothing haul in a minute. Right here we got our last package, and it is from my homies over at Project 88. Y'all already know how we coming. Shout out T Donnie from Project 88. Honestly, it's a fire ass piece, and I copped it because I just like this shit a lot. Like, I actually do buy their stuff because I want to support their movement, and that's just my way of doing so. But fire piece right here, yo. Project 88 on the bag. Y'all already know how we come in. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for y'all. This color has been everywhere. I told y'all I had to freak with it a little bit because it's just everywhere, and it's so fire, bro. This neon, the screen doesn't do it justice. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it for y'all. Hold up. This shit is hard. It's Scarface inspired, if y'all can't see. Say hello to my little friend right there. And this like Instagram thought lime green right here. Come on, bro. Super clean piece. Major shout out to Project 88. This shit is so fire, bro. I'm gonna be freaking this one a lot, but that's the last pickup that I had for y'all today. Let me know what y'all thought about this video. I picked up a bunch of shit today. Honestly, we got hella FTP, some pants from Zara, some TJ Maxx stuff. I got some unwanted Luke Wave type vibes right here. We got a lot of stuff. Let me know what y'all like the most. Which was your favorite pickup? Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let me know what type of videos you would like me to make. I'm actually gonna be working on some new things coming for you guys. Subscribe, click the post notification bells, because I'm gonna start posting like crazy once again. Hopefully I could post 5 to 6 videos every week. That's my mission, and that's exactly what I'm gonna bring out for you guys. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.